All right, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of a 6-sided aluminum frame travel trailer. That is right. This is one of the most well-built travel trailers in the entire industry, all the way wrapped around in a big old aluminum superstructure. This is the 2026 Rockwood Ultralight 2908 SRL. And actually, if you guys want to see a little bit more detail on kind of how they're built and a little bit more on the background of Rockwood, I'll also go ahead and link down in the description, along with all the specifications, a link for Funtown RV and all that. But I'll also put a link for the Why Buy Rockwood series that I did for their 50th anniversary with one of the best reps in the game that I think if you're serious about purchasing a Rockwood, it might really interest you. But you know, they say it's a 6-sided aluminum frame constructed unit. I really think they should be calling it a 7-side aluminum frame constructed unit because Rockwood does a little bit different. So right here, 6-sided aluminum framing, but it also has aluminum dinettes, bed bases, and then the composite construction. So the bed base and the dinette is what I'm talking about, but the composite construction is obviously nice as well. One-piece vacuum laminated roof with the high density block foam. So not only is it built a little bit better, but it's gonna last a little bit more in terms of, you know, the weathers, the ups and downs, the hots, the colds, and everything in between. But I like how this one has no dedicated dinette. You don't see a fifth wheel, or I mean a travel trailer that's as much as like a fifth wheel as you do really for this. I just think it's such a cool setup. One, you got the solid surface countertops. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. My new ring, me and Babe are good. My new ring comes in here in about a week. Your boy got a couple black diamonds in it too. Pretty darn cool, but my last one shattered on me. And yeah, time for an upgrade. But now, Babe and I are good. But man, it feels weird not to have a ring on. Should have maybe did some like permanent marker or something. But yeah, okay. So we're doing good. We're doing great. First, I want to show you this too, because I'm a pretty big dude. And for travel trailers, I usually don't record them all that much because I'm not someone that would buy a travel trailer, if that makes sense. But this is one that I could really do. One, you get the barrel roofing right here into the middle. So I'm underneath the AC. You can still see it's about 6'4". You have dual opposing slides. This pulls out to make some sleeping space. But I mean, you have about 2.5 pretty good steps. But you have a lot of really good room there. Just kind of want to show you that because you just don't get that in a lot of travel trailers. And I love the rear living setup. You know, my favorite floor plan is a front living, but I think this is making a runnings as far as the travel trailer is concerned. You're also going to see a pretty good sized TV right here. You also got your speaker system and all of that right here in the middle. The barrel roofing is going to help create a little bit more flow for you. You got a foot doctor right there. I don't know what's that, but in 7 days, you can fix your nerve discomfort. I think that's a pretty cool little thing. Try Nervive. Side effects include diarrhea, headache, blindness, loss of limb function. You also have a fireplace right there to keep you nice and a roasty and a toasty. And then you have storage both left and right going all the way down, which is nice. But a fireplace that's that size would be able to heat the entirety of this area. Now, you have recliners directly across from the TV. And you're going to see it also has the manual pulls. And you can see 4 different cup holders as well. So if you want to crack a couple cold cans apple juice, you know, have your bourbons and all that. Like today is going to be 60 degrees. Pop those windows open. Have some fun times with that. I can tell you, I cannot wait to get my RV. Both windows open up with a little bit of overhead storage here too as well. And notice I'm going hands-free right there. It's going to be on the strut system. The same thing goes for over on this side, but you notice that the slide is going to be elongated. So not kind of super slide, but you get a lot of good space over here that really kind of opens it up and creates that walking path. A 12-volt refrigerator. So it's going to be a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So, you know, if you got the solar up on top, you got a battery charging, you know, you're good to go. When you're driving down the road, it'll keep it nice and cool for you. You got the 3-top burner to whip up all the fixings. And then, you know, of course, right there, you got room for, I always love I don't know if you can hear it. Always cracks me up right before these shows happen. You can hear like each and every kind of company doing like, oh, we are the greatest, we are warriors, sales warriors. Maybe I should do a video on that where I just pretend to be a sales manager and start screaming at people. Stainless steel Undermounted Bolsko Rooney with the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. And then, see here, why is that not going on? There you go. And then right there, I mean, you got storage for a trash can, no problem. If you're someone that loves trash, you should love the Rockwood, baby. Boom. Actually, that didn't sound good. Rockwood's a great product, but I meant if you like trash cans, there's a lot of good storage for that. Solid wood cabinet doors. I know that because I can read that sticker real good. But look at that. 2 ACs just right here in this back area. So 15K, 15K. It's also got the drop frame. So if you're having breakfast right there, you want to push that cooled air unproportionally, you definitely can. So I think that's pretty cool. And what a great little breakfast area. You also have a flip-up counter right here as well. Your control panel located right as you walk on in. And I also like how you have the inverted outlets as well. But you're also going to see, you know, all your slide outs, you know, your awnings, things of that nature there too. All right, so now we're coming on over here and you got your bathroom. You got the old Steamer Stink Sucker 3000, and you're also going to notice a really nice size shower with the porcelain foot flush Throne-O-Rooski. But you can see there is enough room to sit down. You're having a good time. Everything is good. Plus you got the old bowling gun, baby. Right there. Right there. I mean, look at the sink. Now, another thing that Rockwood does is they have what's called a shower miser. So I'm not familiar, about 6'4" right here, by the way. 1.2 on the Roundy rating scale. This is a really nice shower. But the shower miser, you flip this little notch right here. And since they're using a gas and electric water heater, it stops the air from, or stops the water from circulating. So it just stays in the tank and rolls and rolls and rolls. The reason why you want that is because now it heats up inside the tank, so you're not wasting some of that hot water. Let's see if we can get this. Boom. Pretty cool little touch bulbs too, by the way. But if you can see it on the camera, I don't know if my balance was good, but actually a pretty darn comfortable bed. I wonder what they're using. It's probably the most comfortable travel trailer bed I've been in. You got a queen size bed, north to south bed. You also got room for like your CPAPs and things like that back below, along with a little hidey-ho window, which would be great for laying down with honey buns and catching some stars at night and stuff, or a good view. I think that's pretty cool. Ooh, that's right. This is where I want to show you. This is that Rockwood difference. Notice how it's aluminum under there. It's not a 1-inch pine. So that is where you're getting the real value, you know, of something like this. This is the little things. That's why it's going to last much longer for you. You're going to have the fuse box right down here below. And then you have your hanging closet there too as well. Emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. And of course, you got the old Dracula shade, baby. Stop the skin from sizzling, keep some nosy eyes out. But all right, guys, 2026, look at that. 2026 Rockwood 2908 SRL. And again, today we're down at the Indianapolis Boat and RV show at the Funtown RV display. But man, all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, including a link for Funtown, will be down in the description. 3/4 molded fiberglass front cap with the rock guard here at the bottom. You can also see you got your room for your 2 batteries right there and your 30-pound propane bottles. You're also going to get, on this one in particular, come on, you got your auto leveling. So that's pretty darn nice. You can just hit that, zip it on down however that you want. It's pretty darn neat. You got heated and enclosed underbelly there too as well. And you got the drop frame here up front. So the frame actually drops down, but that's what allows you to have that massive pass-through storage. Cable inlets right there, you know, standard solar of 200 pounds or 200 watts, sorry, and a big old Mac Daddy awning there for you with the frameless windows too, which is nice. Right here also, I mean, you got a place where you can hang up a TV, you can put your griddle, LP quick connect right down there. Goodyear tires, it's got the works. You could probably actually put a slide topper here on this one. I know you can on the other side for sure, but it's basically a piece of awning that prevents debris from falling on top of your unit. So that's pretty darn snazzy. And then you have a 2-inch receiver with a bumper there above it for the old Stinky Slinky, which is pretty nice. So it's going to be an accessory hitch. So it'll have a 300-pound hitch rating. So, you know, bike racks and cargo carrying, things of that nature. A ladder with a 250-pound weight capacity to get on top of your fully walkable roof as well. And then Rockwood doing what Rockwood does. They also have an upgraded roof there for you too. 50 amp connection located right there for all the ACs that you're getting in this. Again, it's more of a fifth wheel style travel trailer. And I think that's where Rockwood kind of lives in a lot of these bigger ones. You got your cable, satellite, city water connection, and your black tank flush with your antifreeze inlets, and then your hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower, gas and electric. And then bada bing, bada boom. Get your docking light control right there. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2026 Rockwood 2908 SRL. See you. Meow, 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 meow. Shoo.